So hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install TWRP and root your Samsung Galaxy J7 2016. So the first thing we need to do is get the phone, go to settings, go to all the way down here to about phone, software information, tap on bill number 7 to 8 times, and now we will unlock the developer options. Open that, and here it is, and then turn this OEM unlock on, and it is on. Okay, so now we need to download some files, so let me show you the files. So here are the files. Download all these files and extract it to a folder. I'll extract it here, and I'll put the description down in the description below, links in the description below, so you can download it from there. So after downloading it, now let's get back to the phone, and we need to turn this off. So let's power off this phone. Power off, wait for it. So now the phone is power off, so hold the power button, home button and volume down button to go to download mode. Let me do this, and now we are in the download mode. Now tap the power volume up button to go to the download mode, to confirm the download mode. Now let me do this, and power volume up button. Now we'll connect this to the PC via our USB cable. Now it's connected. Now let's get back to the PC. So in the PC, now we'll open the Odin, download Odin, link in the description below. Okay, here it is. Open the Odin. Okay, and as you can see, our phone is added here. What is this? Oh, nothing. Okay, so our phone is added here. Now click on AP, locate the TWRP file. It is named like J710F, something like that. Click on OK and go to options, check the auto reboot and click on start. Wait for it, and now it's passed. So let's get back to the phone. Now here we are back to the phone. Now we'll disconnect it. We'll now do this again, power, home and volume down button to turn the phone off. And when the phone is off, switch immediately to volume up button to reboot into TWRP recovery. If you didn't do that, if you didn't switch the power button to the power button immediately, you need to flash the TWRP method again. Do that again and switch the power up button again. So now let's see if our phone is booted into TWRP mode or not. So now it's booted in TWRP mode. So now we wipe all the data. This will delete all your phone's data. Once type yes in it. Now wait for it to run. So it's done. Now we go back to the home screen. Back, and now go to advanced ADB side load. ADB side load. Check these boxes, and now swipe to. Swipe to. Okay. Now while it's happening, we'll connect a phone to the PC again. Now phone is connected to the PC, back to the PC, and now open the ADB root folder. First we'll check our phone is connected to the PC or not. APK installer. Now our phone is checked, connected to the PC, as you can see here. Now open the ADB root folder and run this batch file. It may be show you like this kind of warning, so run it anyway and wait for it to happen. It will take some time, 30 to 40 seconds approx, maybe more than that, I don't know. Okay, so it's done. Now let's get back to the phone. So now we'll disconnect the phone and reboot. Now this reboot may take some time, more than maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know, depend on your phone. So be patient and wait for it to happen. So as you can see, now our phone is booted. It's set again. So Android is starting. So as you can see, all data is deleted. Phone is now started. So let me set this up real fast. Okay, so phone is now set it up. So let me connect this with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it's connected. So let me show you the many magics. Here it is. Okay, so it's asking for update. So let me update it. So now it's updated. So as you can see, our phone is rooted, many magics is installed. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like, click that subscribe button because more video on J7 are coming. Bye bye.